Hello viewers, Mezcal here. I just want to show you something that I find really interesting. This stuff here is formed on the bedrock, just above the bedrock in a river. Now it's a conglomerate that comes together and it's so hard it's like concrete. And where that comes from is from right up in the top of the hills. You have stuff comes from is the silicates up in the mountains get washed out by the lichens and the mosses using acid to leach out their food, and it releases silicates that find their way down into the bottom, and when they combine with caustic products such as would come out of a fire, you get a geopolymer reaction which turns this stuff into concrete. It's a very interesting subject. You can see this stuff looks like granite, but when you see the other little nuggets of rock that have been joined together by the geopolymer glue, as you would call it, then you realise that this stuff isn't granite, it's geopolymer. And it's my belief that the ancient Incas, Aztec and even the Egyptians used a process similar to what's happening here to make their artefacts that are still around today. Here we are down at the bedrock again. You can see this concrete looking stuff. It's got all sorts of things tangled up in it. You can see old tree roots that it's caught and trying to fossilise. I found harder examples of it. Check out these little bottle-shaped bird's nests. There's a bird that builds these funny little nests. You always find them undercover inside like erosion washouts.